हाय गाइस, मैं हूँ दी ओपिनियनेटेड इंडियन और आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा the top Bollywood items for the month of July. The first blind item is about this newbie. This newbie has been making all the right moves in the industry. A top studio boss has started favoring this newbie over his last muse. The newbie in question is rumored to have bedded a media baron who also owns the rights to a beauty based competition in order to win it. But her managing to catch the studio boss's attention is definitely a big win. The studio boss's previous muse had to wait for years to get her second project. But the newbie has several movies lined up even before her first movie release. The way things stand, the previous muse who waited for several years patiently has not been offered a new contract even. But the newbie was offered a contract. Last heard, the newbie has been hooking up with a billionaire who made his money by starting a low-cost brokerage firm. As per our sources, the billionaire was earlier married to a model who was from an influential business family from Bengaluru. But they separated after the billionaire was named in a Me Too scandal wherein a woman referred to him as a leech. He's known to be a jerk who has been involved in several molestation cases which got hushed up. Meanwhile, the studio boss's ex-muse has now caught the fancy of a bulky action hero. The next blind item is about this actress who is very charming and tries to come across as down to earth. She's a young star who is sure to be a part of Bollywood for at least a decade more, irrespective of how her movies fare, thanks to her being part of Bollywood royalty. But only Bollywood gossip nerds are aware that beneath this chirpy demeanor is a foul mouthed and arrogant celeb who doesn't think twice before reminding people of her celeb status. A source informed that the star and her celeb mother went to an upmarket store in London and picked an item to be hand delivered to a certain address. The Desi store employee refused, as it was against the store's policy. The mother daughter duo tried to pressurize the employee by reminding him of their celeb status, but the employee did not budge. The mother daughter duo then escalated the issue to the store manager. The manager, a white Britisher, couldn't care less about the celeb duo and declined to cater to their request. The celebs left the store annoyed at how the store employees treated them just like ordinary individuals when they clearly should have been worshipped. They clearly should have worshipped the ground on which they walked on. The celeb's mother, a yesteryear actress, is known for being foul-mouthed. Her father too has gotten into his share of brawls and has court cases lodged against him. The young actress herself has been linked to almost all her co-stars. She's shrewd enough to act all nice when the paps are around, but when there are no cameras around, she's just as elitist and snobbish as any other Bollywood kid. The third blind item is about a sports star who has won several prestigious sporting events and accolades for the country at global sports meet and is a pervert. He was overheard flirting with a girl at an event who is half his age. He has no qualms about commenting on her figure and asking her out. The sports star has recently been in the news for his romance with a washed-out Bollywood actress. Looks like Me Too movement has had no effect on such sleazy uncles. While we were undecided as to who the oppressor in his tumultuous separation and court battle from his ex-girlfriend, we are inclined to think that he was the culprit. It was well known that he was a commitment-phobic womanizer, but it is shocking to learn that he would be so direct with a woman less than half his age. His womanizing commitment phobia hasn't stopped women from getting involved with him. His latest squeeze got divorced some time back and was rumored to be facing severe financial trouble. Heard that she was forced to go to extreme lengths to keep herself afloat. The fourth blind item is about this director who charged way more than his usual fees. As per a source, this filmmaker had a horrible experience while working with a producer of the upcoming movie previously. The producer in question wanted to cast a loudmouth actress in the movie. She demanded that the director with whom the producer had issues be signed on as the director for the movie. It was a prerequisite for the actress to sign the movie. The producer probably thought that the actress was best suited for the role and did not want to lose out on her. The producer had no other option but to sign on the director. The director, who was waiting for such a moment, got back at the producer by charging her way above his usual fees. The actress in question has been a vocal supporter of the director. She has been awarded with several acting jobs thanks to her vocal support. They both were very active on social media and used to take potshots at the ruling party. Both are known to be known for their left-leaning views, but the director has been maintaining a low profile since he was accused of misconduct by a woman. The producer in question, on the other hand, is a vocal supporter of the ruling party. The fifth blind item is about this actress who has had a colorful love life. She was earlier dating an outsider whom she left, after which she started dating the cousin of her debut film co star. The cousin is known in Bollywood's inner circles as a playboy who has dated the daughter of a superstar in the past as well. After breaking up with him, this actress dated the brother of another renowned star, who is also an actor and is a few movies old. It is rumored that it was her big shot filmmaker mentor who made her break up with the son of a late actor and introduced her to her current boyfriend, with whom she might even end up with. Her mentor likely thought that she would be better off dating the affluent flop actor instead of the not as wealthy flop actor son of a late actor. If I had a penny every time this filmmaker poked his nose in the personal lives of other celebs, I would be a millionaire. Meanwhile, the source mentioned that the brother of another renowned actor has dated the actress' sister as well. The actress has an interesting lineup of movies, including one opposite a debutante star kid. Her co-star from her own debut movie was rumored to be the brains behind several blind items which slut-shamed her. Both are mentored by the same filmmaker. As per a source, this South Indian movie star who became a household name after appearing in a reality show hooked up with a married TV star. They both were participants of a reality show which is a test of the participants' courage. They both hooked up for several nights while shooting for the reality show. But they both knew that it was just a fling. There's no way that the married TV star is leaving his wife. The married TV star has been part of showbiz for more than a decade, having appeared in several TV dramas and reality shows. The actress mentioned has appeared in several music videos after her stint in a reality show that made her famous. Her announcement regarding her participation in a reality show abroad just a day after the death of her brother created a furor. Sadly for the actress, her stint on the reality show abroad was a short one. A source, this top filmmaker and mentor of several star kids hates an actress. The actress is an outsider who has made a place for herself in the industry based on her sheer hard work and talent. The filmmaker hates her because she is in direct competition with a star kid whom he has been mentoring for several years. The star kid is an accomplished actress and is very talented. The top filmmaker wanted his protege to back the lead role in an ensemble film which starred a hit pair. The pair starred in his debut film and it was a blockbuster. But sadly for the filmmaker, the director of the movie in question chose the outsider over the filmmaker's protege. The filmmaker got back by doing what he knows best, by posting several blind items about the outsider sleeping with the director and referring to the director as a sugar daddy. Sadly for the outsider, the movie underperformed. Even the hit pair couldn't salvage the movie. Karma caught up with the filmmaker when he was subjected to severe hate on social media when another actor's death was linked to his incessant bullying. He is often accused of indulging in nepotism. He has time and again defended it by saying that he may cast whomsoever he wants. It is his money after all. Someone needs to tell him that it is not the nepotism but him snatching projects from outsiders and gifting it to his target proteges that breaks the morale of outsiders. In one of his movies, the aforementioned hit pair gets married and is forced to settle abroad owing to the class divide. But in real life, he is the loudest voice when it comes to looking down on the less privileged. All these class divide based romantic movies is only to make money. Many thought that the filmmaker might mend his ways after the backlash he received last year. But he didn't blink an eyelid before sacking an outsider from his movie and banned him from life. But thankfully, he didn't dare plant any blind items this time around. We sincerely hope that this outsider makes it big and shows the filmmaker the finger. Blind item is about this movie which released sometime back, way before schedule, and has been receiving rave reviews. As per a source, it was rescheduled for an earlier release date due to piracy related issues. The streaming giant forced the two studios which produced the movie to reschedule to negate losses. The streaming giant is angry with the two production houses for the leak. The streaming giant is convinced that the leak happened from either of these production houses and is now refusing to pay the fully agreed upon price as it is not an exclusive release. One of the production house, which is owned by a billionaire production heads, in turn blamed the streaming giant for the leak. It is rumored that the streaming giant was reluctant to share the release with one of the production houses, and this piracy incident has strained the relationship between the studios even further. The digital rights deal between the streaming giant and the other production house has now been put on hold until the culprit is caught. The actress of the movie in question is the favorite actress of the head honcho. There have been even been rumors of them hooking up, but the head honcho's marriage shut those rumors. The movie also stars a seasoned character actor, and the streaming giant has a reason to smile considering the movie has been getting rave reviews. The streaming giant has had an otherwise patchy record when it comes to Indian content. Please drop a comment with your guesses. Please don't forget to press on the like icon and the subscribe icon for more such videos. Please do visit our blog, theopinionatedindian.com, for more such blind items and Bollywood gossip. Thank you.